if you have read this loop booklet, I mean not the loop booklet, it's what's called, yeah, list booklet. So if you read that, you'll understand that it doesn't take the last one, it always takes the one before it, before the last one. So it will take 0, 1 and 2, not the third position. Enter. And if you want to take after it, I'll take the same population and 4:5. Yeah, so this was 3, 4, 5. It won't give us the 5, it will only give us the 4 one. So only get this. So now if you want to combine this with this, you just have to add basic arithmetic. 0:3 positive, again population, maybe I should make it 6:8. So what it did was it took 0, 1 and 2, it didn't take 3, it doesn't take the last one. So it took these 3, 0x0, it didn't take the third one, and after that it took the 6th, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it took this 7, not the 8th one, so 0 next, and it combined them into one list. So now what the question is saying, if the position we enter, for example if I enter 3 here or maybe 4 here, just to make it a bit different from the question example, if I enter 4 here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, this one, the result of the function should give me 4 friends from the left and 4 friends from the right. It shouldn't give me 4, it should give me from 0 to 4. Why am I including 4? Because 4 won't be included, 1 less than, right? So it should give me 5:9. Why not 8? Because it will give us 8, it won't give us the last one, 9. This is what it means. This is what the question is saying you should give me. So now just going to the question. Write a function get friends and take the argument the location of a person in the list population. It returns a new list containing 4 friends left, 4 friends on the right. So let's start. Oops. Okay, so this is the location we get, right? Just do population, we'll take the list. So this is the location we get, this is the location we'll get. We don't want the location, we want 4 from the left. So what does this mean? Location -4, then location itself, because it won't include the location itself, it will include location -1. That's why we just put in location, like I explained earlier. It never includes the last one, it includes the one before it. So it will include that -4 to the -1. Now this will be added with population location +1 to location +5. Now why +5 is because it won't include the +5th, it will include the +4th. So this will what we'll get. So basically print this and +1. Since the population is right now 0, this is the population, so you need to run the create population first, just to, let's see, 10,46. This will include the population, it will make the list of the population. And now the get friends, I think I'll take 5 here. You see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th one. So what will do? Take 4 from the left, 0, 0, xx, 0, 0, xx, and 4 from the right, xx, 0, x. So 4 from the right, xx, 0, x. It won't take this value. So this is what we did. Now let me ask you a question. If I take get friends 3, what does it give me? Something's wrong here. 0 1 2 3, this one. 4 from the left, O X X, and 4 from the right, X O O O, X O O. It's only giving me from the, I think from the right side, not from the left side. What's happening here? So basically, if you if you go here and see, if you enter 3 here, the location 3 minus 4 becomes -1. So it's saying like -1 ratio location, -1 ratio 3. What is -1? It'll give you an error. So if you don't know what -1 is, if you like put enter here, -1 actually, like we introduced like 0 1 2 3. If you want to take in negative terms, it starts from the end, -1 -2 -3 -4. You see that? So don't get confused with these minus things. You only need to make it positive. So what I did was, this will give you an error. So what I did was, if our location is less than 4, then print from 0 to location, and this. The last one won't be effective. Won't be affected. Okay. Else, run it the usual way. Now let's try it. 10, 65, and get friend 3, 0 1 2 3, 3 zeros, and x 0 0 x. Yep, it's working perfectly fine now. I'm so tired. Explaining. Okay, write a function get friends type def get friends. I'm going fast now. Okay, get friends type, what it takes as argument the list of friends. It returns the number of O's. For example, okay, there are 3 O's in here, so it will return you 3. So it will take an argument list of friends. We'll put a list of friends in here, and it will give you the number of O's here. So numbers, O's numbers will be equal to 0 here, and then we'll run the while loop. While I think I'll take while 0. Y less than, the while loop should like read each individual element, so we can extract each individual element and compare it with O. If it's O, then it'll increment, meaning increase the number of O's by 1 each time. So how do we get the total number of elements? Basic. He taught us this, Philby taught us this in class. Length and list friends. The list will put inside here. It will calculate its length, tell us all the total number of elements. It will that many times. Now finally how to end the loop. While plus 1. Okay. Now if, for example, our list it start from 0, right? So we'll use this. Each time it will start from 0, then go to 1, then go to 2, as many times, comparing these till the end, till the total number of elements. If list equal to O, then increment O's number by 1 each time, and then finally it will end the loop. This is what you have to do. I can explain it in more detail. It's a pain for me. Okay, so in the end it should return O's number. Now what it will do is, we should make it return. because we'll be using these lists inside this list. If you don't return you print, it won't work inside this. So save, create